Hello everyone, this is Fazal Rabi. Welcome to my YouTube English learning channel. In this vocabulary playlist, I have collected 1000 most important antonyms of English. This is the third video of antonyms in the playlist vocabulary. If you haven't touched the previous videos, it is necessary to watch them first because all these antonyms have been arranged in alphabetical order. So let's get started. Devil, angel, dictatorship, republic, die, life, different, alike, difficult, easy, dirty, clean, disease, health, distant, near, divide, unite, division, unity, divorce, marry, divorce, marriage, divorced, married, domestic, foreign, down, up, downstairs, upstairs, drama, comedy, dry, humid, dull, interesting, dusk, dawn, early, late, east, west, easy, difficult, elementary, advanced, immigrate, immigrate, immigration, immigration, empty, full, end, begin, end, beginning, ending, beginning, enemy, friend, enjoy, hate, enter, live, entrance, exit, equal, different, even, odd, evening, morning, everybody, nobody, everything, nothing, exactly, approximately, excited, calm, exciting, boring, exclude, include, exit, entrance, expensive, cheap, export, import, exposure, shelter, extreme, moderate, fail, succeed, failure, success, false, true, far, near, fast, slow, fat, slim, fear, encourage, female, male, few, many, final, first, find, lose, finish, begin, finish, start, first, final, fix, break, flat, hilly, floor, ceiling, follow, lead, forbid, allow, for, against, foreground, background, foreign, domestic. It's all in this video. For more important antonyms, click the next video of this playlist. Thank you so much.